kicking up dirt.
Oh my word, now you know. You also now know what does this sometimes. I know last year I had noticed that there was some very specific rather, looking holes
Yes,
around the
that's what it was.
edge.
And I never knew what it was.
Nope, me neither. Lisa and I just assumed that it was voles, moles, chipmunks.
Oh my Lord.
Look at, he is like giving you edging.
Look at
If he keeps going, we're gonna have to pay him. Wow, look at that guy go.
Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh my
Oh, you are
Lord.
some gorgeous.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my good Lord. She's just tossing it. He is, isn't he? That just gave his toes a little cleaning.
My Lord. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Look at that little red spot.
I know.
It shows it so beautifully on your camera. Well, the guy is looking well.
He really is, isn't he? I'm going to assume this is a male. Look at those little toes, too. Oh, there we go.
Oh my gosh, that was beautiful.